What's up, foodies? Today we are making one of my all-time favorite Greek comfort foods, Greek stuffed cabbage rolls. They're packed with herbs, ground beef, and finished with a rich, tangy Avgolemono sauce. This is a signature Greek sauce made from eggs and lemon juice. Greek stuffed cabbage rolls are a beloved traditional dish enjoyed across all of Greece, particularly during the colder months. This video is sponsored by Community Natural Foods. They have provided me with the ground beef for this recipe and all the produce. So let's get into it. Our first step is to soften our cabbage leaves so they're easy to roll. Now carefully remove the core of the cabbage using a sharp knife. Try using a smaller knife like a paring knife instead of a chef's knife. A smaller knife is less likely to slip in your hands. Removing the core helps the leaves separate more easily as they soften. In a large pot of water, place the whole cabbage in, stem side down, and bring it to a boil. Then let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes until the leaves soften slightly. You'll notice that the outer leaves start to become translucent and more flexible. Carefully remove the cabbage from the pot and let it cool a bit. Then separate the leaves. While the cabbage cools, let's mix up our filling. In a large bowl, combine 1 pound or 450 grams of ground beef, 1 small finely chopped red onion, 4 finely chopped sprigs of green onion, 1 bunch of chopped fresh dill, 1 bunch of chopped fresh mint, 1 bunch of chopped fresh parsley, 4 minced garlic cloves, 1 cup or 230 grams of short grain rice like a borio, 3 teaspoons of salt, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And to finish it off, some freshly ground black pepper. Mix it well. The mix should be evenly combined with the herbs and spices well distributed throughout. Now we're ready to start rolling. If you're enjoying this recipe, you're going to love my new cookbook, The FOOD-DEE Odyssey, Totally Greek. It's packed with over 70 incredible Greek recipes that capture the essence of my travels in Greece and my time cooking in Greek restaurants. This cookbook has some of my favorite Greek dishes like briam, Cretan bougatsa, souvlaki, lots of different recipes in here. Greek salad, the best Greek salad you're ever going to have if you're not in Greece. Whether you're a fan of Greek cuisine or looking for modern twists, this cookbook has something special for every home cook. You can grab your copy in the description below. Now take a cabbage leaf, and if the thick center rib is too tough, carefully slice it off or flatten it with the back of your knife. This is going to make rolling so much easier. Then place a generous tablespoon of the filling in the center, then fold in the sides to cover it, then roll it tightly like a burrito. You want to make them nice and tight and snug so they don't fall apart during the cooking process. Before we cook our cabbage rolls, we're going to line the bottom of a large pot with extra or torn cabbage leaves. By placing a few extra cabbage leaves at the bottom of the pot, it's going to help prevent burning and sticking. Arrange the cabbage rolls tightly in a circular pattern, stem side down, or whatever way you can make them fit in there. Just make sure they're nice and tight. This is going to help prevent them from unrolling while they are cooking. Then pour enough chicken stock over the rolls just to cover them. Now place a dinner plate upside down over the rolls. This is going to help them from shifting around while they're cooking. Then cover with a lid, bring to a boil, and then reduce to a low-medium heat for 40 to 45 minutes. While our cabbage rolls are cooking, let's start on the famous Greek Avgolemono Sauce. In a bowl, whisk together 3 egg yolks, then add the juice of 3 lemons and the zest of 1 lemon. Then add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into the egg mixture. Then we'll place this aside until our cabbage rolls are ready. Once the cabbage rolls are cooked, remove them from the pot and set aside. Then slowly ladle in some hot broth from the pot into the egg lemon mixture while whisking constantly to temper the eggs. Once the egg lemon mixture is warm, slowly pour it back into the pot while stirring continuously. Simmer gently until the sauce thickens, being careful not to let the eggs curdle. Once your sauce is thickened, spoon the Avgolemono sauce over some plated cabbage rolls. And there you have it, Greek stuffed cabbage rolls with Avgolemono sauce. A comforting, flavor-packed dish you need to try. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, a subscribe down below, and until next time, FOOD-DEE out.